Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's another beautiful day, and I woke up just now. It's already late, but I woke up just now, and I just got a call from Delhi, the place where I used to take mobile accessories. So they called me, and I'm replacing some accessories since they were not in good condition. So I've already gave it to the Blue Dart from which they came, but they have not sent. So my friend is working there. So I called him up and he said he forgot to take to the office. So I'm going to his house now and I'll be picking up the stuff and deliver it to post office. So that's the work I have today. So let's go. So guys, I'm going back up. That's all. Today I'm going back up. So let's go. I've not even taken wash up because I woke up late now. But yeah. So guys, I've reached the location, my friend's house. So let me just show you. So guys, the house is this one down there. So I'll go down there, come up and yeah, go back to post office. So guys, I just came, so I have to return this. So right now I'll go home and yeah, put an address here. The place where I'm going to send and yeah, go to post office and post it. So guys, I've added the address, my address and their address. So right now I'll go to the town and yeah, post it and come back. So guys, I just came back from the town and yeah, there's no light, but yeah, I bought something. I bought this distilled water to put it in the battery. So yeah, I'll just put. So guys, I'm done with the inventory work. It's there, the inventory is there, and I know the room is messy. And yeah, right now I'm doing the arrangement because it's not this rack was here, this side, but yeah, I've shifted there because as I work here now, this is my workstation. So as I work, there's a small space, so I can't work properly. So I've shifted there, and yeah. Everything, even here, it's messy, but yeah, don't worry, I'll clean it in a minute. So let's go and clean the room. So guys, finally the room cleaning is done. Yeah, I said a minute, but it took 2-3 hours to complete it because I was arranging. So this is how I have arranged. So this will be my workstation. Here will be my computer accessories, and yeah, I've kept this here because later on I've drilled it already, but yeah, I'm going to put it here. on the wall, mount it on the wall, and yeah, um, others you can see by yourself. See, I'll just show you. So this is it. So right now I'm going to have food, so I'll take wash up first. Obviously first I'll take wash up and get back to you guys. So guys, I just finished taking wash up. So right now I'm going down to the kitchen and yeah, live food and take rest because I have work all day and yeah, I'm tired by now, so I'll be sleeping early today. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. If you guys liked this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. And yeah, like I said, from now on there will be a regular vlog. So yeah, please do supporting like you have been supporting. And yeah, one last thing before I go, you can comment on what type of video you want to watch or you want the content you want to see, and yeah, I'll arrange that accordingly. I'll work on that accordingly, so you can comment down below, and yeah, you can even ask question because I'm doing I've already done one episode of replying to a comment, so there will be another comment replying to a comment episode soon, so you can comment down below your question and I will answer to that, so you can yeah